What's up, guys? Jacob Rothenberg here. It's been a busy day so far, and I am able to make this video because I'm literally waiting for a book to finish going through the KDP uploading cover interior previewer, which is taking 15 minutes. So, what I want to talk about today is just how things have been going for the past week. Some plans that are in place that I think you can steal a play or two from me, along with what's ahead for the future, and of course real estate. So as far as publishing goes, it's kind of repetitive to give a week by week synopsis of how everything's doing in my little publishing world, but basically things are getting ready for Q4, and along with that, because it is technically still publishing related, Gumroad has been still a relatively consistent source of new income for me. So again, to reiterate what has been going on, for those of you who haven't watched my prior videos, we are using a platform called Gumroad where you can upload content, ebooks, audiobooks, anything that you want to put up for sale can then be used as a platform to set up affiliates for your products, and you can even set custom pricing for your products. It's honestly nothing super revolutionary, but the reason why I'm looking into Gumroad is because, number one, again, and I mentioned this before, but number one, in Amazon, you can't set up affiliates for your books. On Gumroad, you can. And number two, and I think this is the bigger part for me personally, is that you can set up whatever pricing you want for your products on Amazon. And unlike Amazon, where people are more used to paying $2.99 for an ebook, outside of the Amazon world for Kindle devices, believe it or not, people are still willing to pay $15 for an ebook. I know this firsthand because I have been making money selling a $15 ebook. And some might say, well, yeah, but what's your actual net with selling that $50 ebook on Gumroad? And the truth is the fact that the Gumroad takes a very small cut. I think it's something like 3%. Whereas for a $9.99 ebook, even, Amazon is still taking 30%. So that's a caveat. Earnings to date with Gumroad, I think we're 3 weeks in. I haven't made a lot of money, I'll be honest. I think we're at around 250 right now. I mean, as far as my net earnings. But again, it's a brand new platform I've never used before. I'm promoting and working in a niche I have had zero experience in. I have no books published in this niche. I am not an expert in this niche personally. And it's also being used to promote through a platform, Twitter, that I have no prior experience with. So, oh yeah, and the best part is, all this has cost me nothing to do. So the overhead thus far has been zero. So that's why I'm still enthusiastic about Gumroad. The person that I am getting mentored by, working with, Boris, he makes, I believe, an average of 300 to 400 a week. I think he's topped out at 2,000 a month using Gumroad and Twitter. So if I can make an extra 2K a month, who does not want an extra 2,000 a month? Net, right? We can all use an extra 2,000 a month. Guys, don't get cocky for those of you that are making 5 figures a month. Making another 2,000 a month net is still a big deal. Don't care who you are, okay? So, I mean, it's a big deal for me. I'm not going to be cocky about it. I want that money too. So, there is that. As far as everything else goes, I would just say, guys, really get ready for Q4. I know it's getting a little bit repetitive to say that, but you still have time to get out your Halloween books, believe it or not. If you can get your order in, have it turned around in a week, upload it next week, and then get some reviews and sales for it, you're still going to be on time. But I'd say next week is probably the cutoff point for that. And past that, just get all your activity books lined up in a row, if that's what you want to be doing right now, if you're in publishing. Aside from that, I have still not made any super duper progress with the real estate. I have been getting more leads. I get like 3 or 4 leads every day through paid traffic, and I am now getting responses back. So I am actually getting responses back from leads, but no one's ready to buy immediately. So it is a long-term play in terms of real estate. You know, you gotta cultivate leads and just stay with them for a few months if needed, sometimes a couple years. But slowly but surely, someone will be ready to buy a Las Vegas property and we'll have at it. And hopefully this all pays off for years to come. The key is just consistency, not getting demotivated when you're not getting results starting out in a new venture. I mean, let's be honest, it's not the most exciting thing in the world to make virtually nothing your first couple of months in a new venture. But the truth is, number one, I always knew it was going to be this way. That's just how the business is. And number two, to succeed at anything, you can't give up. So giving up has not even crossed my mind, because I knew all along this real estate is a business that takes a few months to get started with, and after that momentum picks up. So that's how the game works. Just gotta get more leads, get more numbers coming in, and hopefully one will convert. So that's it, guys. I hope my book is ready for upload by now. I'll be checking up on that. Till then, keep publishing, stay safe, and I'll see you later. Take care.